We went to the wrong spot. Look, the pelicans and the sardines and the snooks, everything's right there today. We went to the wrong spot. Check out the birds just freaking out. Last year we were crushing them right in here at this time. Today, we went to the wrong spot.
Got these Zilch out there. Got some nice little sardines. Put them out. Got a nice little jack. Got a nice little mangrove. Calling it a day with that. Saving it for another day.
The action really didn't happen today. I guess last night there was a push of fish that came through, and then today we went down there. We didn't see a whole heck of a lot. I think this is going to be a big week for happy bait, and I reckon we'll get on the fish. We did see Marcelo down there. He brought his own bait. It was pretty strong. Brought his girl with him. He had a decent happy bait session. We all want to wish Marcelo and his girl down there happy bait.